Hello children, welcome to English session. Hope will enjoy in this session. So today we're going to start our new poem. It's If. The poem name is If. So let me tell you what is if. So if is a conjunction, correct? If is a conjunction. So what is conjunction? Conjunctions are the word that connects subject and the object. Do you understand? I repeat again. Conjunction is the word that connects subject and the object. So today the poem name is If, which we're going to study, and the poet is Anon. Anon is nothing but unknown poet. So we don't know who is the poet, who wrote this poem. So Anon is nothing but an unknown poet who wrote this poem. So as a glossary, read aloud. So let's start our poem. If you have a kind word to say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. So here the poet is trying to tell us that what kind of words we have to use, right? So we have to use the words which are kind words, right? You have bad words also, correct? Yes. So all the time you should use the kind words which should not make others feel sad or others felt insulted, right? So but if you have a kind word, if you know some kind words, so please start saying it now. Start saying it from now. If you know some kind words, right? You also expect kind words from your friends, right? For example, thank you, please, right? Can I do this? May I do this? So there are some kind words which we have to use. Children, if you know any kind words, please start say it from now. The second line, if you have something to give it now. Something to give is nothing but if someone asks you something, if your friends ask your help, something is nothing but your help, right? And if you can help your friend, by giving your notes or by teaching him something or anything, if you can do it, please start doing it from now. Correct? Did you understand? Okay. Now if you can make someone glad, so glad is nothing but happy, right? So if your friends are sad or your friends are crying, your friends are upset, right? And if you know how to make your friend happy or smiley, you know that, right? So if you know how to make your friend smile, so please go and do it now, do it now, do it now. You should not make your friends sad, you should not make your friends upset or sad or insulted, right? If you know that you can make your friend happy, the trick, right? If you know the trick how to make your friend happy, the poet is saying, right? Do it now, do it now, do it now. The next stanza. If there's good news to give it now. If there's friendship to show, hope you can raise. Or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. So here the poet is telling us that if you know some good news, right? If you know something very interesting, very good news, please go and share with your friends. Share with your friends. Okay, and that is how your friendship can be shown. If you have some good things, you purchase something new, or your mummy gave you some new dress, right? If you have some good news, if you want some happiness which you got from your parents, with your friends, if you're very much happy, just go and tell to your friends, and that is how your friendship will be increasing. And if someone is you can praise them, right? When you appreciate, when your friend do something good, you can say, okay, fine, you did nicely, right? That doesn't look good, but you have to praise them. Very good, you did very nice. So when you start praising somebody, what will happen? Even you will also be praised by your friends, right? So you have to improve your friendship and improve the quality of praising your friends. You should never get jealous of your friends, right? You should never get jealous of your friends when they do something better than you. But what you have to do? You have to praise them. When you praise them, even your friends will help you in that particular problem, or even you will do better like your friends. The next stanza. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. So here, the poet is telling us that you should trust your friends. You should trust your friends, right? When you start trusting your friends, what will happen? Automatically your friends will trust you. So you have to be trustworthy. You should be honest to your friends, correct? And then if you give somebody courage, if somebody is in pain, I told, right, somebody is sad, but here somebody is in pain, something happened in the family, and you know how to help your friends, you know how to make him courage, right? And if you know somebody that you can make them happy, so please, dear children, do it now and start from now. So as you are small, as you are younger, if you start learning from now, what will happen? When you grow up, you will have the same quality in your behavior. Next stanza. Now before it is too late, now's the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. So here the poet is telling that if you know something better, if you know something good, you start doing it from now. Don't say that tomorrow will do it, right? Don't wait till tomorrow. If you know something good, if you know good kind words, you know how to change your behavior, you know how to respect your parents, you know how to use the word. If you know it, it's a time when you can show your good things to the other people. And do not wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow will be a bit late. So instead of getting late, you start all these good things, all this good behavior from now itself. Assignment for this poem: write poem one time in classwork. Write a paragraph about friendship. Thank you. Have a good day.